If you have been looking for an AI image generator that focuses on speed, simplicity, and decent quality outputs, then you have probably come across Z-Image Turbo. In this video, I will cover what Z-Image Turbo is, its main features, pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. Let's get started. What is Z-Image Turbo? Z-Image Turbo is an AI image generation tool designed to create images quickly from text prompts. It is mainly targeted at creators, marketers, designers, and casual users who want fast results without dealing with complicated settings. The platform focuses on three things: fast image generation, easy to use interface, AI powered creative tools. Unlike more advanced tools like Comfy UI or Stable Diffusion setups, Z-Image Turbo is designed to be beginner friendly. Main features: fast image generation. The biggest selling point is speed. Z-Image Turbo can generate images in just a few seconds depending on the style and resolution. This makes it useful for social media content, YouTube thumbnails, blog graphics, marketing visuals, quick concept art. If you care more about speed than deep customization, this is one of the platform's strongest features. Multiple art styles. Z-Image Turbo supports different styles such as realistic images, anime style art, digital paintings, 3D renders, fantasy art, cartoon style graphics. You can switch styles quickly without needing technical knowledge. Beginner friendly interface. One reason many users like the platform is how simple it feels. You usually just enter a prompt, choose a style, generate the image. There are not too many advanced controls, which is good for beginners but may feel limiting for professionals. AI enhancement tools. Some versions of the platform also include tools like image upscaling, background removal, AI enhancement, prompt improvement suggestions. These extra tools help improve workflow without needing separate software. Image quality. The image quality is generally solid for casual and semi professional use. It performs best when generating style artwork, social media graphics, creative concepts, and simple marketing visuals. However, for highly detailed professional work, tools like Midjourney, Flux, or advanced Stable Diffusion workflows may still produce better results. Complex prompts can sometimes create inconsistent details, especially with hands, text, or crowded scenes. Performance and speed. This is where Z-Image Turbo stands out. Compared to many AI image generators, it is noticeably faster, especially for users who do not want to wait a long time for results. The cloud-based setup also means you do not need a powerful PC or GPU. Everything runs directly in the browser. Pricing. Z-Image Turbo usually offers a free plan or trial, paid subscription plans, credit-based generation systems in some cases. The free version is fine for testing, but serious users will probably need a paid plan for higher limits and better features. Before subscribing, check monthly image limits, commercial usage rights, watermark restrictions, export quality options. Pros and cons. Pros: very fast image generation, easy for beginners, clean interface, multiple art styles, cloud based platform, good for content creators and marketers. Cons: limited advanced customization, can struggle with complex prompts, not as powerful as high end AI tools, free plan may feel restrictive. Who should use Z-Image Turbo? Z-Image Turbo is best for beginners in AI art, YouTubers creating thumbnails, social media creators, bloggers and marketers, users who want quick results. It's probably not the best option for professional AI artists, advanced stable diffusion users, and people needing deep workflow customization. Final verdict and conclusion. So is Z-Image Turbo worth it? If you want a fast, simple, and beginner-friendly AI image generator, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. Its biggest advantage is speed and ease of use. You can generate decent-looking images quickly without learning complicated AI workflows. But if you need maximum control, ultra-high realism, or professional-level customization, you may eventually outgrow it and move to more advanced platforms. For casual creators, through Z-Image Turbo does a solid job. And that is it for this Z-Image Turbo review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and comment below with your favorite AI image generator right now. Share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching and goodbye.